Not everyone can afford the best products on the market, so in today's video, we'll show you some of the best options in the business, which you will be satisfied with. Check out our description to see the latest pricing and the information of our featured products. If you're looking for another all-rounder at a fraction of the price of the Z9, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is a great and versatile choice. It's also powered by the same Bionz XR processor as Sony's high-end A1 camera. The A74 comes with a new heat dissipation system to keep it cool when recording video, a side-opening vari-angle touchscreen, ideal for those looking to film themselves, and a sharp 3.69 million dot OLED viewfinder. The camera features fast hybrid AF with 759 separate detection points that cover 94% of the sensor's imaging data and the ability to recognize human faces, eyes, animals, and birds. This worked brilliantly, detecting eyes and faces from the side and bodies from almost any angle. The A74 is capable of capturing 4K video at up to 60 frames per second, though you'll need to go down to 24 or 30 frames per second to get the entire full-frame field of view. That said, image quality is superb at 4K, and the slow and quick mode make it easy to record in slow and fast motion. Aside from the video limitations, the other con here is that the camera is heavy, weighing 658 grams before you add a lens. The Fujifilm X-T5 undeniably has a compact body at around 557 grams, 50 grams lighter than the X-T4, making it a pleasure to shoot handheld for genres like street photography. Of course, suppose you're shooting in the dark. In terms of the overall design, you'd call the X-T5 a looker, and it sports a retro vibe in the black and silver colorways that's available. DSLRs are still the camera to beat when it comes to the battery, but the X-T5 will last for around 700 shots as well. One underrated feature of the X-T series is that moving the shutter to T, you can dial in shutter speed longer than the 30 seconds provided by most consumer cameras. A great benefit for capturing very dark skies when minutes, rather than seconds, are also necessary for the correct exposures. The X-T5 has the same 7 top built-in stabilizations as the flagship's Fuji X, H2S, and X-H2. The X-T5 might not be an astrophotography specialist, but it's equipped with tools to help you capture nighttime objects. Suppose you want a camera that makes you feel like a traditional photographer. In that case, the X-T5 is an excellent option that grows on you the more you use it. However, it's not a nighttime specialist by any means. The crop sensor will always produce more noise in low light and a higher ISO than a full-frame camera will do. If you've got a smaller budget than the X-T5 and want a full-frame camera for better low-light performance, consider the Canon EOS 6D Mark II. It's a cheaper and older DSLR, but still produces great images and 4K time-lapse videos. A refreshed version of Canon's full-frame all-rounder, the EOS R6 Mark II inherits plenty of tech from the sports-focused EOS R3. The original EOS R6 was a resounding success. While we're still finishing off the testing of the new cameras, it has seriously impressed us so far. The new sensors have been fine-tuned for exceptional low-light performances, supporting autofocus in light levels, as low as -6.5 EV. Stabilization is rated up to 8 stops of exposure compensation, which also help when the light conditions get challenging. The tracking is available in all focus modes and pairs beautifully with the EOS R6 Mark II's 12 frames per second mechanical shutter burst mode. This can go up to a whopping 40 frames per second with the electronic shutter. And then this syncs up well with the deep shot buffer, offering up to 190 JPEG or 140 RAW files in a single burst. This camera will pretty much do anything you ask of it. The EOS R6 Mark II takes the already excellent EOS R6 and makes it even better, with faster shooting and an impressive subject detection AF. A seriously impressive all-rounder and a fantastic choice if you're moving to mirrorless from Canon DSLRs. Sony was the industry leader in autofocus and subject tracking for a long time, until the Canon EOS R7 came along. In a hands-on Canon EOS R7, we were impressed by how well the camera locked onto and tracked subjects, and has different options for people, animals, and vehicle tracking. Coupled with stunning image quality and insanely sharp pictures, we are seriously impressed at this lightweight APS-C camera. With image resolution of 32.5 MP, 7 stops of in-body image stabilization, and an extended iOS range of 100 to 51,200. We think this is an imposing camera, and for the price, it's an absolute steal, and we thoroughly enjoyed shooting with it. It performed incredibly well in low-light situations, so it would be a fantastic option for astrophotography, as well as many other styles of photography. It's capable of up to 30 frames per second, which sounds impressive in theory, and it is, but because the camera isn't compatible with fast memory cards, the buffer speed is very slow when you actually take advantage of the 30 frames per second. That said, it's still remarkable, even when utilizing its 15 frames per second with a mechanical shutter. The Nikon Z62 FX format mirrorless camera body in black is a high-performance camera designed for professional and enthusiast photographers. It features a 24.5 MP full-frame sensor that delivers stunning image quality with incredible detail and dynamic range. The camera also has a powerful X-Speed 6 image processor that enables fast and reliable performance, including continuous shooting at up to 14 frames per second. The Z62 includes 273-point autofocus system that covers approximately 90% of the frame, allowing you to track and capture your subject with incredible accuracy. It also has a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and a tilting touchscreen for easy framing and view of your shots. Other features of the Z62 include 4K UHD video recording at up to 60p, built-in Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth connectivity for easy sharing and remote control, and dual memory card slots for versatile storage options. Overall, the Nikon Z62 is a powerful and versatile camera that delivers exceptional performance and image quality in a compact and lightweight package. The Fujifilm XS10 mirrorless camera body in black is a compact and lightweight camera designed for both novice and experienced photographers. It features a 26.1 MP APS-C sensor that delivers high-quality images with excellent detail and color reproduction. The XS10 also includes a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that provides up to 6 stops, making it ideal for shooting in low-light conditions or when using long lenses. Additionally, the camera has a fast and accurate autofocus system with 425 points covering almost the entire frame, allowing you to easily track and capture moving objects. The X710 includes a vari-angle touchscreen LCD that can be flipped out and rotated to accommodate different shooting angles and modes. It also features advanced video capabilities, including 4K UHD recording at up to 30p and Full HD recording at up to 240p for slow motion playback. Other features of the XS10 include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, dual SD card slots, and a durable magnesium alloy body. Overall, the Fujifilm XS10 is a versatile and user-friendly camera that delivers high performance and advanced features in a compact package.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.